When you're working through your design, if you end up having a case like this where one of the roofs slopes back towards the other roof, one of the things, and I guess before I say that, if this is an integral part of your design, one of the things to do to shed water is to basically add another roof kind of in between here. So to do that, we're going to go to the roof plan, and I'm going to start by just joining, I'm not going to save that, joining these two roofs so I can see that line. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bit of a triangle here, a diamond here, and then I'm going to use the roof slope arrows, and I'm going to slope it from the center down and do one the other way. And I'm actually just going to check because I think, yeah, the points at which the roof changes slope aren't really lined up, so I'm just going to fix that. And you want to make it a little bit wider than it probably is, because we're going to put some reference lines and then we'll cut it back after. So these two slope arrows, you want to select both of them at the same time using the control key. We want to change the area that's to specify here to slope, and we'll change that to like maybe a 112 pitch, just so there's a bit of slope there. Oh, yeah, we got to remove this line in the middle, just so there's a bit. Tail of, oh, so sorry, I always do these backwards. You have to put the tail on the edge, and then the arrow goes towards the center, like that. And we're just going to change the roof to be on the roof plane, and look at it in 3D view. Now we'll go to an elevation view. Let's bring this down. So I'm just going to use the move command and bring this down right into this gap here. And so after we join it, and join it over here, we'll see where that is, and then I'm just going to type RP on the keyboard to get the reference plane tool, and I'm going to use the pick line, and I'm going to pick these lines here, and then we're going to edit this roof again, and we'll bring these lines back in, like so, and there we go. We have our roof in the middle here that will shed water away, and snow for that matter in the wintertime. And that's kind of how you do these. I guess if you're in a hotter climate that didn't get snow, you could put a drain flashing down there and just have the water slope to either side, but it's always nice to have a bigger plane, especially where there's a lot of snow. You definitely want that to shed, and you could probably get away with doing a little bit more than a 112. But the nice thing about the 112 is, when you're on the ground, similar to what I'm simulating by this angle, you can almost see it from the one side, but really, I honestly don't think you'll see that at all. So there you go. There's another tutorial for you on how to do a little roof modification.